Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today we're going to be grilling fresh pineapple. And when I mean fresh off the tree. Well, not tree, plant, bush, whatever you want to call it. The pineapple plant. This one we got today. I'm going to let it sit for a couple of days. The one I got a couple of days ago, look at this. Isn't that awesome? And it smells so good. And I've done eat one slice, and it is really, really good. So I'm headed over to the cabin. I'm going to take my pineapple slices. I'm throwing them on the grill, and we're going to heat these up a little bit, and we're going to have fresh pineapple today grilled. Look how big, tall, beautiful. Danny's going to take this and get it ready, and we're going to put it in some water. We're going to grow another plant. This one over here, we'll leave it till tomorrow or the next day. We'll take this one off. It was reaching for sunlight the way it was planted and the way this pulled it over, but it's beautiful. It's another beautiful one. So we hope to have many more pineapple plants next year. Y'all, this still smells so good. Let's head to the cabin. Hey guys, we're over at the cabin. I've got the grill going. I've got it on low. I'm burning off a little of this stuff. We just got a pour down. Time we got here, it's actually raining, but I'm going to do this in the rain because we are loving having some rain. It's not rain, but it's not thunder, it's not lightning, and it's not Dorian. So, what we're going to do is we're going to add our fresh pineapple. I think I'm going to put it up top so it doesn't burn. And y'all look how pretty that is. Danny had a piece a while ago, and he was in heaven with that. It was awesome.
Show me one.
No, you're not getting no more.
I want to show them on the camera.
Oh, you want to see?
Look at that.
Gorgeous.
Homegrown.
And it doesn't take but just a few minutes time to do this. Okay, I'm not wasting this.
Don't waste that juice. Drink it. There you go. That's a country girl there now. Oh.
Fresh pineapple juice. I wasn't going to waste it. Okay, what, maybe 5 minutes, 2 or 3 on each side?
Yeah, you just want to char it a little bit. That's all.
So, we're going to have pineapple on the grill shortly. Okay, we've got them grilled a little on one side. We're going to start on the other. I just don't want to burn them. What they're looking like. Okay, they're starting.
Grill marks. That's what we're looking for.
Yeah. Not looking good. Ain't gonna be long. I could have put them on bottom, and they would have.
We got to do that Stephen Reichlin thing now. They got to be turned where they all crisscross, just like they're supposed to.
Yep. I'm gonna see.
Turn the gas bottle off.
Okay, we got.
Always turn the gas bottle
all
off.
the gas off. We turn the bottle off because we don't leave it going. Look at the perfect grill marks. Isn't that awesome?
Look at that. Oh, look out, Stephen Reichlin.
So we're going to put them. Now, this is a plastic bowl, but they're not that hot, and it's not going to burn a hole in my bowl till I get back.
It ain't going to last that long.
Probably not. Danny and I are fixing to try one.
We're fixing to go chomp down here on this Labor Day.
Smell.
Let me have it. Woo!
Oh, man.
Let me tell you something. Goodness gracious alive.
That is awesome. Look at this. Okay, get that camera where you can see what. I don't want to burn my hand. It's hot.
Woo! Yeah, fine.
Can you break some off?
Oh, you have to bite it off.
Okay. Oh my goodness, if y'all have not had grilled pineapple before, this is the way Danny got me to eating pineapple. I hated pineapple. He grilled me some pineapple a few years ago, and I love it. It's awesome. Should we let Danny have some, or should I just eat it all? Must be good. What you think? Not awesome?
This had to be in the Garden of Eden.
Isn't that awesome?
Anything that good, God would not have withheld it from them.
So guys, grilled pineapple. Try it. I think you guys will
Homegrown
love it.
pineapple.
Hey, there ain't many people got their own personal pineapples, but if you do,
Gosh, you can almost eat the core in this.
I know, I was nibbling on the core earlier. Isn't it good?
Gosh, it's almost good all the way through.
There's not much left.
That's all the core is left. The rest of it's good. I think I could eat the core.
So guys, grilled pineapple. It's awesome. Try it. If you're growing pineapple, one way to eat it. Fresh is good, but grilled, it's awesome. Thank you guys.